Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SLOs of this lesson are: use dictionary to identify pronunciation of a word with the help of pronunciation key. Locate synonyms of the following words in children's thesaurus and use the words below in sentences of your own. Look at the page number 18 of your textbook. We have a vocabulary section here. Look at the section A. Give pronunciation of the following words with the help of pronunciation key in your dictionary. Dear student, we have learned the concept of pronunciation, the phonetic symbols of words of both vowel and consonant sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds. And the consonant sound G, Y, L, H, Z, Z. These are the consonant sounds. The words start with the vowel sound are called vowel words, and the words which start with the consonant sound are consonant words. What are the phonetic symbols? Phonetics are related to the sound of the words, the sound we made when we pronounce the word. I am going to show a video of both vowel sounds and the consonant sound, then you will have a very good idea of phonetic symbols and their sounds. Now student, you have saw the video. Now I want you to find out the pronunciation of these words with the help of pronunciation key in your dictionary. You have just saw the phonetic symbols, how they are written, both the consonants and the vowel sounds. Now look at the B section here. Locate synonyms of the following words in children's thesaurus and use the words below in sentences of your own. We have discussed what the synonyms are in our previous lessons too. Synonyms are the words which have the same meaning. Like this is a word right here, and the synonym of this word will be, yes, correct. They both have nearly the same meaning, almost have the same meaning. So I want you to find out the word for these words which have the same meaning as these. And you have to use them in your own sentences, meaningful sentences. ये वाला वीडियो लिंक है, आपने इस पे जाके बच्चों को वीडियो दिखानी है फोनेटिक्स वाली.